Jam and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a simple casual day makeup look that you can wear when you are in the office, if you are working, or if you are trying to apply for a job, or if you're just planning to go out for the day. And also, I will be featuring a very popular product here in our country, Ever Bilena Cosmetics. So if you want to see more of how I do this look, please keep on watching. So once again, I will be doing a simple makeup look that you can wear during the daytime, especially if you are working in the office or if you are applying for a job, or if may plano ka lang na lumabas for the day. So this is very wearable, and of course, I will be featuring the products from Ever Bilena Cosmetics. As I've noticed in the past few years, they have leveled up their game in terms of coming up with new products for the consumer. So parang nakikipag-level up na sila with the international brands, which is good because they are a local brand and they are very accessible, especially for us na consumers na walang masyadong access with the international brands, or if namamahalan lang tayo with the international brands. So they are very affordable as well. So marami na akong hanash. But anyway, let me show you my own stash of Ever Bilena items. So these are the ones that I have bought for the past few months already. Although I've been using them for quite some time now. So as you can see, here are my stash. Sorry. So as you can see here, I've got a lot of lipsticks. I have two eyeshadow palettes from Ever Bilena as well. So I bought this very simple day brown palette, which was really good for a daily look, as well as I saw this one in the grocery and I was like, I'm going to buy it. So see, it's so nice. So I know the popular palette for this line is the Sunset palette, but it's just really similar with this one, so I bought this one instead. So I bought this one for only 120 pesos and I really like this one. And I also have lipsticks. I think I have I have 7 of the liquid lipsticks, and then for the bullet type lipsticks I have 5 for the bullet type lipsticks, and then 6 for the liquid lipstick. So hindi masyadong obvious na marami akong nabili lipsticks from Ever Bilena. So without further ado, let's proceed to my simple day makeup look. So let's start off by putting on primer. So I zoomed you in closer na para mas malapit kayo sa akin. But anyway, I have put on primer already, so now let's proceed to our base. So for my base, I will be using EB Pro Flawless Finish Foundation. So I have this in the shade Oriental. So I like this foundation because it comes in a glass bottle and it has a pump as well. So I've been using this one for quite some time now. I bought this last year and maganda siya. Actually, this is their matte finish foundation. I noticed for quite some time now, hindi na ako gumagamit ng beauty blender. Rather, I use this one. Kita niyo yung sponges from the air cushion cases. So this one, parang mas prefer ko yung ganito na sponge. It's because last lang yung product na nati-take up niya. At the same time, it's easier to handle this kind of sponge compared to beauty sponges. Like, I've noticed in my videos, hindi na ako masyadong gumagamit ng beauty sponge. So, I don't know if ako lang or marami nang ginagawa ito, but I don't use the beauty sponge anymore. The one in the oblong teardrop size. So, using this, let's So now we're done applying my foundation. So now let's proceed to concealer, where I actually use this EB Advance So You Finish Stick Foundation. I prefer to use this as a concealer or foundation kesa nung concealer nila, yung may doe foot applicator. It's because parang mas pressure control talaga yung formulation, yung ano niya. So actually bago ko lang itong binili because naubos na yung isang stick foundation ko. So I usually use this as a concealer and foundation. It's because talagang very all around yung formulation. Like maganda yung formulation nito. So I have mine in the shade Creme. So this is good for 24 months as well, and this comes in 8 grams worth of the product. So, I guess kahit 8 grams, matagal na itong naglalast for me. So, let's put on some concealer. Using that same sponge that I used a while ago, I will then set that one. Done sa paglagay ng concealer natin. So now, let's set everything with powder. So for the powder, I will be using their very popular matte finish powder. So this is actually a two-way cake. So I have this one in the shade Matte Fair Oriental. I think marami nang nakakakilala nito. It's because this is a very popular item from their brand. So using this sponge right here, let's set my under eye area. So we're done setting up the canvas for our makeup, which is our face. So now let's proceed to my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I have two products from Ever Bilena. First, I have EB Advance Eyebrow Kit, this one. So I think familiar na kayo nito. This. Or I also have this EB Pro Brow Duo in the shade Clay. So ito yung ginagamit ko on a daily basis because this brow product really lasts on my brows for an entire shift, and even if nag-gym na ako, nandun pa rin yung product. So for this video, I will use this product instead, and I will use this to line my eyebrows. So let's go. So taking a So now we're done with my brows. So for the eyes, I will be using this palette that I got from Ever Bilena as well. So this is their brown palette. So this is a very good everyday makeup. So it comes with a free sponge brush. Although I think this is not really suitable to be used for the entire palette, since mas maganda talaga gamitin yung brush. Since we are going to do a simple everyday makeup look that you can use or wear if you're in the office working, or if you are planning to apply for a job, or simply if gusto mo lang lumabas for the day, then we'll be using a very light colors. That's why I choose to use this palette. For the transition shade, I will be using this shade right here. This is the light brown, I guess. Yeah, so let's use this one. for the second color, I'll be using this semi-shimmery shade right here. So this is a bit shimmery. Yes, this one. And I'm going to apply that on my lower lid area. Gently dab that all over this area. So I'm just gently dabbing this all over my lower lid area. Afterwards, let's blend the colors that we have. So taking another brush, let's just blend that out. For the highlight, so we'll be using this to highlight our brow bone area. So taking this color right here, the lightest color in the palette, the white, this white shimmery color, let's use this to place this in our brow bone area. Let's also add some on our tear duct area, just to So that's it, we are done with our eye makeup looks. As you can see, it's just very simple. I just used 3 colors from this palette. Again, I used this one right here for the transition color, and this one for our lower lid area, and then this lightest color right here para sa highlight natin. So for the eyeliner, I got this CB Advanced HD Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So ang nakaganda nito is because it has 2 free pencils with it. So first, here's the eyeliner. Ayan. This is the eyeliner. 2 free pencils right here in the color brown and in the color black. So I guess this is really good for eyebrow, and this is good for eyeliner. This is a felt tip eyeliner pencil. This is not a brush. So let's just create a very simple eyeliner, winged eyeliner. So we're done with our eyeliner. So hindi ako naglagay sa under eye areas. It's because I prefer na above lang the eyes. Kasi if maglagay na ako on my under eye areas, parang medyo overdone na yung makeup ko. And now let's put on some mascara. For the mascara, I have here their Ever Bilena Power Curl Waterproof Mascara. So bago din to product nila, and I really want to try this. First, let's curl our lashes. Let's use this mascara. So as you can see right here, ito yung wand niya, which I like. So just remove the excess product first. Very soft din talaga yung yung wand niya. As you can see, talagang siya ulit. Nag-blend lang talaga siya. It's very soft. So just be gentle. Then let's apply on the lower lashes as well. So just be careful on this part kasi so that is our eyeshadow makeup looks, as you can see right there. It's very simple. So now let me do lang my other eye, and now I'm done with both my eyes. So as you can see, I just did kung ano yung ginawa ko on this eye dito sa eye na to. So they're now similar. So now let's proceed to the cheeks and a little contouring. I have 2 products right here for the blush. So I have this EB Advanced Blush Duo in Baked Fig, as well as I have this Ever Bilena Single Blush on in the shade brown. So for this video, let's just use this one because this is more of a matte blush on. So, maganda to for daily use. So, as you can see, you've seen this in my previous videos already. This is a very light blush color. We'll use this for our face contouring. Very light lang yung contouring na gagawin natin. And then this one for the blush. Careful lang kasi medyo pigmented talaga rin itong blushes nila. Let's put on some blush on the apples of the cheek downwards. So, ay outwards pala. So, from the apple of the cheeks and outwards. For the nose contour, as usual kasi, well, it's up to you if you would do a nose contour, but for me, I will do a nose contour, just a very light nose contour. So we're done with our nose, but let's put on a little highlight in this area. So getting that eyeshadow palette that we had a while ago, we can use this shade right here, this very light shade, and put that on our nose area. One tip, para subtle lang yung pag-highlight. Huwag kayong maglagay dito, instead sa bridge lang kayo maglagay. Nagkakailong ako. So for the lipstick, we'll be using a very light color as well kasi medyo naglagay na tayo ng drama dito sa eyes natin. So dapat subtle na lang yung lips or muted na lang siya para yung attention ng mukha natin ay mapupunta lang sa ating eye area. So now we're done with our lipstick and we're almost done with our look. So let's just spray on some setting spray to set everything. So let's just let it dry. So this is it, guys. This is my everyday makeup look using only Ever Bilena products. So this look is very wearable if you are working in an office or if you are going to work or if you are planning to apply for a new job or if you have important appointments or if may plano lang kayong lakad for the day. So this is very light and talagang very appropriate lang siya for day use kasi hindi siya very exaggerated at hindi siya intimidating mga titingin sa'yo kasi nga very muted lang siya. So I hope you like this video and I hope you like this look that I made. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Once again, see you on my next